Hello! In this video, we show you how to correctly install a fixed Skylux Vitria on a Skylux 2000 curb. Start by unpacking. To install the fixed Vitria on the 2000 curb, the supplied clips must be screwed onto the PVC frame. We measure 20 centimeters each time, measured from the inside of the PVC frame to the center of the clip. We then fix the clip. The maximum center distance between the clips is 60 centimeters. Leave the Vitria in the box and screw the clips in place with the supplied stainless steel screws. Now we can easily mount the Vitria on the Skylux curb. By applying a light pressure, the clips click onto the curb. We always recommend a pitch of 5 degrees to avoid water stagnation. Once everything is installed, we finish with an extra locking screw that we screw in at a slight angle. You can pre-drill if necessary. Please note that you cannot screw or drill on the outside of the PVC frame. The glass is also not walkable. There, now the Vitria is ready for use.